Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal in Canada, an easy guide. Creating your PayPal account in Canada is a straightforward process, providing a secure way to manage your online transactions. First, you will navigate to the PayPal Canada website or find their app on your mobile device. Then, simply click on the Sign Up button and choose to create a personal account, which is ideal for individual use. You will provide your email address and create a strong, unique password to protect your new account from the very beginning. Next, you will need to input your personal details, including your full legal name, current Canadian address, and your date of birth. This information helps PayPal verify your identity and comply with financial regulations. After entering these details, PayPal will send a verification code, usually a 6-digit number, to your registered mobile phone. Enter this code on the PayPal site to confirm your phone number. You will also receive an email with a link to confirm your email address, which is another crucial step in securing your account. With your personal information confirmed, you can now link a funding source to your PayPal account. You have two primary options: connecting a Canadian bank account or linking a debit or credit card. To link a bank account, you will need your financial institution's number, your transit number, and your personal account number. Alternatively, you can securely add a debit or credit card, such as a Visa or MasterCard. PayPal will typically make one or two small, temporary charges to your card or account, which you will then confirm to complete the linking process. Security is paramount when managing your finances online, and PayPal offers excellent tools to protect your account. Beyond a strong password, we highly recommend activating two-factor authentication. This feature requires you to enter a unique code, usually sent to your phone, every time you log in from an unrecognized device, making it much harder for unauthorized access. Make sure to choose a password that is complex and unique to your PayPal account, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Staying vigilant helps keep your money safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.